Nakahanda ang security protocol ng Mactan Cebu International Airport Authority o MCIAA sa pagdating na sa paliparan ng Cebu ni Sara Diskaya at ni Maria Roma Angeline Rimando ng St. Timothy Construction Corporation kasunod ng utos ng Korte Suprema na ididinig sa Lapu-Lapu City Regional Trial Court ang kaso nitong 96.5 million pesos na Ghost Flood Control Project sa Davao Occidental. Ito ang inihayag ni Julius Neri Jr., ang General Manager ng MCIAA sa panayam nito sa Bombo Radio Cebu News Team kung saan iginit ito na nag-utos na siya sa kanilang security personnel sa pagsiguro sa kaligtasan ng lahat na sa pagdating ng mga personalidad ay hindi ito makakalikha ng kaguluhan. Isinaysay nito na business as usual sila sa kanilang trabaho kung saan walang special treatment ang ibibigay kang Diskaya at Rimando, ngunit nagpahigpit pa rin sila ng kanilang seguridad. Bago nito, pasado alauna kaninang hapon dumating din sa Cebu ang mga opisyal ng Department of Public Works and Highways Davao Occidental na sangkot din sa nasabing kaso na kinilalang sila Rodrigo Larete, Michael Awa, Joel Lumundag, Harold John Villaver, Jafael Faunilian, Josephine Valdez, Ranulfo Flores at si Zor Ryan Ubungin.
First of all, I just instructed our team to make sure that, number one, we don't give any special treatment to anyone. Number two, we ensure the safety and security of everybody in the airport and make sure that there is no undue disruption. So it's going to be business as usual for us. Well, the airport has its own security protocols. So that will be strictly followed and strictly enforced. Maybe because of the nature of who these people are, we might, just deploy additional people along the way to make sure that there is no disruption.
Rito sa Bombo Radio Cebu, ako si Bombo Canapo. Ito ang Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!